What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and today I'm doing some photography out here at Watson Lake in Prescott, Arizona. A little bit out of breath because I was rushing down the rocks, but I don't know, I was just driving home from something earlier today, or just now, and I saw a storm coming our way, so I thought it'd be cool to shoot. It looks like it's gone a bit off to the left, but I think I can still get some cool photos, maybe some cool sunset pics, so let's check it out. It's raining again. I like the look of that, actually. A little sky with the rocks here. I think I'm gonna do a image of just these rocks with the sky. I kind of like the layers in them. The sky's not super crazy, but I think it'll add a little something. So we'll just set up here really quick and take some pictures. Alright, so this is the first image I got from the day, and I really like the way it turned out and the layers and different colors within the layers of the rock. I think it's just a nice photo, and I like the sort of dark overall tones to it as well, so I was happy with how this one turned out. Alright, let's do some long exposure shots here. You'd probably take off his rain jacket, but kind of... Alright, so right now I'm doing a 30-second exposure on this. Trying to get a little movement from the clouds. The water obviously will be really smooth, but trying to get some movement in the clouds as well, and we'll see how it turns out. So I was happy with this image as well. I really like the layer of the water, and then the rocks, and then the sky. Everything's really nice and smooth. The long exposure on the water, there's just no movement at all there. I think it looks really clean. So I was happy with how this image turned out too. Alright, so I made it out to my next destination. I think I'm gonna get some way cooler colors facing sort of back towards the sun a bit more. Yeah. Let's go up here and just see what there is, though. Oh, wow. Holy moly. I'm gonna pass out. There's the sunset out there. I don't think the clouds will change too much, but you never know. So this was definitely one of my favorite images from the night. The view's really nice, but the clouds, those really dark storm clouds over top with some area that has no clouds. I think the contrast in the sky is amazing. And the rest of the image is really nice too, but I was just really happy with the result of this one. Alright, so we moved around a bit and we're getting some amazing colors for the sunset, and I think I'm gonna get some really cool images out here, and there's some cool glow on the rocks over to the right. So happy I'm still out here. I wasn't going nowhere till the sunset, but just cool to see the sky and the colors changing and getting some different perspectives and shots. So I really like how this image came out. Got some nice orange glow in the corner of it. I like the foreground element of that rock right there in the front of the screen as well. I was happy with the result of this one. And then next is this image, and this is my favorite image I got all day long. It was taken over about 2 minutes of exposure time, so the camera, instead of taking the image for milliseconds, right, just one click, the one click was actually, and the whole image was taken over 2 minutes. And that's why there's some movement in the clouds, and the water is just super, super smooth. But I didn't get the sky in this one. It was a little too late for that. But I'm really happy with sort of the darker, I guess, moodier sort of vibe to this image. And like I said, it was my favorite one from the whole day. And I was really happy with it. What's going on, guys? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Got something out of it, like the style, let me know if you do like the POV sort of going along with me style, or kind of what you might want to see or change or whatever. Any sort of feedback in the comments down below would be really appreciated. And then also make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we hope to see you next time.